Plano residence was burglarized by someone claiming to be working on a water main break. It started when the homeowner answered his door and the man said that the water main had burst and someone needed to check to see if the water was working. The homeowner's spouse confirmed everything was fine. Then the suspect stated he needed to check the water in the backyard to ensure that it was not contaminated. Otherwise, the residents could become very ill. Before the homeowner could direct the man to walk outside the residence, the suspect just walked inside the house, past the homeowner, and headed toward the backyard. The suspect was communicating with another male suspect through electronic means. After the suspect left, the homeowners discovered jewelry had been stolen from their home. It is believed that the second suspect entered the house through an unlocked door and committed the burglary, while the first suspect kept the residents distracted in the backyard. When someone knocks on your door, speak to them through the locked door. If someone claims repairs needs to be done, look up the number for the utility service provider and call to confirm the story. If the service provider is not aware of any problem, call the police to report a suspicious person. My guess is the suspects will be long gone and you will have protected your family and your property. My name is Bianez. Thank you for tuning in.